Hello everyone. My name is Christy and in this video, we gonna talk about Tashkent, the capital city of Uzbekistan. I would ask you to hit the like button and share this video on social media. And if you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Tashkent is the capital and largest city of Uzbekistan, as well as the most populated city in ex-Soviet Central Asia with a population 2.55 million inhabitants as of 2021. It is located in the northeast of the country close to the Kazakhstan border. Tashkent was influenced by the Sogdian and Turkic cultures in its early history, before Islam in the 8th century AD. After its destruction by Genghis Khan in 1219, the city was rebuilt and profited from the Silk Road. From the 18th to 19th century, the city became an independent city-state, before being reconquered by the Khanate of Toshkent. In 1865, it fell under the Russian Empire and became the capital of Russian Turkestan. In Soviet times, Tashkent witnessed major growth and demographic changes due to forced deportations from throughout the Soviet Union. Nowadays, as the capital of an independent Uzbekistan, Tashkent retains a multi-ethnic population, with ethnic Uzbeks as the majority. In 2009, the city celebrated its 2,200 years of written history. And with the introduction being made, let's explore some unknown facts about Tashkent on Tourmania. 1. The capital of Uzbekistan is among the 5 most densely populated cities in all ex-Soviet Union. 2. The city is dominated by low-rise buildings. The tallest building is a television tower with a height of 375 meters. 3. The older generation in Tashkent is fluent in Russian. In young people, it is much less popular. 4. Tashkent subway is not inferior in beauty to Moscow subway. Each station is a work of art. 5. The metropole is very clean by the standards of a big city air purity. Much more cleaner than, for example, New York, Moscow, or Bangkok. 6. An integral part of the local color is the numerous bazaars where you can buy anything, from fresh fruit to artfully handmade carpet. 7. At the end of the 19th century, tigers were found around Tashkent. At the present, they are no longer there. 8. The city has only one 5-star hotel. 9. There are many more fountains in Tashkent than in any other Asian city. 10. Every day the citizens of it consume about 1.5 million cubic meters of water. 11. In 2010, trolleybuses stopped walking around the city, and in 2016, trams also stopped walking. However, there are many buses, and the length of one bus route in the city exceeds 30 kilometers. 12. Parks, squares, and other green spaces occupy almost a third of all Tashkent. 13. In the winter of 1930, a temperature of -29.5 Celsius degrees was recorded in hot, seemingly Tashkent. 14. Locals love to read and readily use libraries. In the first 2 quarters of 2017, the National Library of Tashkent issued more than 2.5 million books. Hello everyone. My name is Christy and in this video, we gonna talk about Tashkent, the capital city of Uzbekistan. I would ask you to hit the like button and share. 15. According to some estimates, people appeared on the territory of modern Tashkent about 17,000 years ago. 16. For tourists in Tashkent, plying double-checker buses are bright red. They help to explore the most interesting places of the city in a short time.